do right now is I am expecting some doubts, if possible, for tomorrow's test. The chapters are very easy and we have gone through it thoroughly. So I hopefully there are no doubts, but if there are any doubts, let's clarify that and we can continue with the fifth chapter. Okay. Ria is asking, can I use school method? Any method that is applicable is fine. It should be correct. Swayam from Saidam, you'll get a message about the this of Saidam. About, okay. Okay. Any other test related doubt? Okay, fine. So I think let's move on to doubts of the chapter. Yes, Shubhra, you will get. I have not put activities in the first test. I've only put sums. Mansi from JB Nagar is asking, when will we get the result? See, online correction takes up some time. Certain, and we go branch wise corrections. So if certain branch gets corrected early, you'll get the paper early. Ideally, I can say we should get the papers in a span of 10 days. Okay. Smitesh is asking if we can use school method. Yes. But the answer that you're getting should be correct. Yes, date. Someone is asking whether they can put date. Yes, it's good to put date. The paper will be of 20 marks. Okay, fine. Let's get started. What I'll do is I'll just open up my page. Just give me a minute. Hello, Dhruv sir. Hello. Hello. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll just share the screen. Hello, Dhruv.
Okay, so
इसका
it's
उल्टा
two.
है. हाँ, तो 2 है ना. तो 2 cancel होके answer will be 1.
Okay, sure. Thank you, sure. So I have one more doubt.
हाँ.
Where is it? Yes, sir. It was write the following rational numbers in decimal form. I was just trying it. 11 upon 125.
Wait, 11 upon 125.
Yes, sir.
What are we supposed to do?
We are supposed to we have to form the rational number in the decimal form. Means we have to do it.
Decimal. So just divide it, no?
Yes, sir, I did it, but I couldn't find the answer only.
You
Maybe
will
I was wrong.
first you'll start,
0.
if 11 is small, then you'll start with 0 point.
Yes.
Then I'll add a 0.
Yes, sir.
Do you see it is still small?
No, sir.
110, is it smaller than 125?
Yes, sir.
It's still small, no? This.
Yes, sir.
So you'll have to add one more 0. And
Okay,
here
sir.
also one more 0. Now you can do it. 125, how much is close to this? So if I go for, let's say, 8 za, tell me what is 125 into 8?
Sir, it's 1000.
1000. Okay. And what is 125 into 9?
So it is 1125.
This is 1000. So what should I write? 8 or 9?
8.
So 8,000. If you subtract, you will get 100.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
Then you add one more 0 and again write 8. 8 is 1000.
Okay,
Minus 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have one more.
Hmm.
Recurring decimal form of the number p is 1.3, then rational number is p. So the answer is 4 upon 3.
Read the question again.
Recurring decimal form of the number p is 1.3.
Is it
Then
1.3 or 1.3 bar?
No, only 1.3.
Okay.
Then rational number p is 4 upon 3.
Rational number p is 4 upon
4
3.
upon 3.
Okay. So what are we supposed to do in this? As in,
So
what is
actually,
you did not tell me the question.
The question was recurring decimal form of the number p is 1.3, then rational number p is equals to, the answer is 4 upon 3 actually.
Okay. What you do is you send the picture to Neha ma'am, and then
So
I'll send you the solution.
I've sent her.
Just a second, let me check. This one I have not received, the P part.
So she might have not sent it. I will call her
So
afterwards.
after today's lecture, send it, then I'll tell you what.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So,
Yes.
yes, it was from if cube 1331 equals to 11, then cube 1.331 equals to what?
Cube root of 1331
is
is
11.
equal to 11.
Then cube 1.331 means what?
1.331 cube root is what? Correct?
Yes, sir.
This sum we have done, no, in the last exercise of.
Yes, sir.
So here I have told you 1331 upon, if decimal is there and there are 3 numbers, I can write 1000 below.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
What is cube root of 1331?
11.
What is cube root of 1000?
10.
This is the answer. If you want to write it in decimal, you can write 1.1 also.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, very much.
Okay, sure. Yes, Rushil has a doubt. I'm sorry. Yes, Rushil.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Sir, can you please explain me practice at 1.1?
Full practice set I'll explain now.
Yes.
How will I explain full practice set?
Sir, no. The first main question, fourth question is so 13 upon 10 and minus 17 upon 10.
Yes, you need to know how to.
Put it on number line.
For this, what I told you all was, if you start with 0, then keep marking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Denominator is 10, no?
Yes.
10th line पे 1 आएगा. Okay?
Yes.
ऐसे ही 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ऐसा अगले 10 लाइन में 2 आएगा. You understood this?
Yes.
Okay. When you follow it this way, then what is happening is, can you see what I'm circling at? What is this number?
0.
उसका अगला line will be 1 upon 10. क्या रहेगा?
1 upon 1
Next
upon
line.
10. 2 upon 10.
Next.
3 upon 10.
Next.
4 upon 10.
Next.
5 upon 10.
Next.
6 upon 10.
Next.
7 upon 10.
Then.
8 upon 10.
Then.
9 upon 10 and 1.
This. 10
1.
upon 10 is 1. हाँ. उसके
Yes.
बाद 10 upon 10 के बाद क्या आएगा?
11 upon 10.
Then.
12 upon 10.
Then.
13 upon 10.
तो 13 upon 10 ही चाहिए था ना? इसको
हाँ.
ऐसा डॉट कर देना या सर्कल कर देना.
Yes.
समझा?
हाँ.
तो अभी लेफ्ट में क्या करोगे?
Backwards ऐसे.
हाँ, तो कितना लाइंस बनाओ लेफ्ट में?
17.
बट पहले तो 10 बनाऊंगा ना. 10.
हाँ. 10.
और 10th वाले को 1 -1 बोलूंगा.
हाँ.
फिर और ऐसा अभी फिट करने के लिए थोड़ा छोटा छोटा बनाना पड़ेगा आपको.
हाँ.
ओके, यू अंडरस्टूड?
यस सर.
तो डिनोमिनेटर में 5 आएगा तो क्या करोगे?
अगर डिनोमिनेटर में 5 आएगा तो बीच में 5 लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. 0 और 1 के
फिफ्थ
बीच.
लाइन को बीच में 5 मत करना. जैसे यहाँ पे 10th वाले को हम लोग ने 1 बोला है, ये 10th वाला था, इसको 1 बोला.
हाँ हाँ, मतलब बीच में 4
5th वाले
करेंगे.
को, हाँ 5th वाले को 1 बोलना.
5th वाले को 1.
समझा?
थैंक यू सर.
अच्छा, ऑल्सो वी हैव अपलोडेड द, जहाँ पे सिखाया था वो वीडियो है, वहाँ पे हर एक सम का ऐसा मैंने करके सिखाया है, तो प्रैक्टिस करने के टाइम वो वीडियो ही फॉलो करो.
ओके सर.
हेलो कृष्णा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ask your doubt.
So my doubt is that how to find the cube of -2 upon 5.
-2 upon 5 का क्यूब, like this.
Yes.
2 का क्यूब क्या है?
8.
5 का क्या है?
125.
अच्छा, क्यूब में माइनस will remain minus. This is the answer.
Yes. And sir, one more doubt is there. Sir, हितेश ने तो same doubt पूछा था, वही doubt है. Now 5 √5 नंबर लाइन पे कैसे वो फाइंड करते हैं?
सेम स्टेप्स है ना. √5 के लिए क्या होना चाहिए नंबर लाइन पे?
√4.
और √4 मैंने क्या बोला है? ये 1 को नीचे रूट में क्या लिखते हैं?
1.
2 को रूट के अंदर
4.
और 3 को
9.
तो √5 के लिए √4 चाहिए ना.
हाँ.
तो √4 क्या है?
2.
तो 2 के ऊपर कितना लंबा लाइन बनाने बोला है?
3 सेंटीमीटर.
हाँ. और फिर अच्छा, प्रोट्रैक्टर से 90 डिग्री बना के लाइन बनाना.
हाँ.
फिर ऐसे ज्वाइन करना 0 से, और फिर आप कट करो, जहाँ पे भी मिलेगा वो √5 है.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
यस सर. शुभ्रा फ्रॉम DN Nagar. शुभ्रा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, yes, tell me.
Having a doubt, like in rational number, if it is 1.16 and above the 6 there is 1 point, so it is terminating or non-terminating?
अच्छा, फर्स्टली 1.16 मत बोलो, 1.16 बोलने का. डेसिमल के बाद यू जस्ट से 1 डिजिट, एंड यू आर सेइंग 6 के ऊपर डॉट है, ऐसा है?
Yes.
So it is recurring. It will be 1.16666. So it is recurring.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you.
Sure. Yes, Ramandeep. Ramandeep.
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
I was having a doubt from the third chapter, practice set 3.3. Find
Read.
of the
हाँ.
fifth one minus 2744.
744. Did you factorize 2744?
Not getting the right answer. I did it.
So, हाँ. So tell me the factors. किससे cancel करूँ? अच्छा, first check. Is it 2744 only? पक्का?
Yes, sir. Minus 2744.
हाँ, तो आंसर में माइनस आने वाला है. But let's factorize this. किससे cancel करूँ? 2, 3, 4, 5 किससे? Hello. Hello, Ramandeep.
Hello.
हाँ, tell me किससे factorize किससे करूँ?
Can't hear your voice. Hello.
You know how to factorize, no?
Hello.
I can hear you. Hello.
I can't hear your voice.
रमनदीप एक बार छोड़ के आ जाओ. You can hear me now?
No, I can't. Sir, I can't hear you.
Okay. I'll just ask him to leave and join back. Shreya? Hello, Shreya? Okay. Hello, yes. Dhruv Modi from Vikhroli. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. How do we find that point? Like there was one question. There was one question in that test. How do we find cube of point 1.5 on an that number line you said na, that 3 centimeter. we
I have
to
not
take-
seen such a question. Send me the photo of that question. Okay. Send it to Mayur sir. Mayur sir will send it to me and then I'll send you the answer.
Okay.
Okay. Because your question, I have not seen such a question before. So I'll have to, probably you're making a mistake in reading it. So,
I think in that test I have seen somewhere else. So how
so
do
send
we
it to
solve?
me. I'll tell you if it's part of the portion or not.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Hitesh. Sorry. Hello. Hitesh, unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that in practice at 3.3, we have to find the cube root of the following numbers. That question. We have to show the working, or can we
Yes.
directly write the answer?
If there are some answers which you know directly, write it. But for big numbers like this 2744 and all that, show the work.
Okay, so sir, is it compulsory?
Yes, compulsory.
Okay, sir. And sir, that we have to find the root 2. So if it is given that find root 5 with the help of root 2 or root
No,
6.
ऐसा कभी नहीं आएगा.
No,
They'll
sir,
only
because
give you
in the
find root 2 or root 3.
because in the textbook it was given.
What you can do is you can send me a picture, then I'll guide you with that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes. Hello. Hello, Mrithul. Mrithul is not responding. Hello, yes, Krishna.
Sir, that Dhruv Modi was asking, the question was how to find the cube root of 0.125.
Not on the number line.
No. Such
Okay.
question is not there only.
Correct. Fine. So 0.125 का cube root, you know now how to find out. Yes. I think all the doubts are done. Shreya is remaining. Shreya, sorry.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Shreya.
Yes, sir.
You were asking?
Yeah, sir. In the third chapter, practice set 3.3,
Hmm.
I have a doubt in simplify.
Tell me the sum.
It is root is 3 and 27 upon 125.
Sorry, I couldn't hear that.
Hello.
Repeat again.
It is 3 is the root and 27 upon 125.
So what is cube root of 27?
27.
These things I've told you to by heart, no?
9. 9.
No, go and by heart it first. Have you learnt all the 10 cubes?
Yeah, yes.
Tomorrow's
Little
paper, and you've not learnt, no? Shreya,
I know some of them.
tell me, did I tell you to learn some of them or all of them?
All of them.
So if you don't learn it even one day before the paper, then how will you get good marks? 27 का cube root is 3 and 125 का is 5. This is the answer. अगर बाहर आएगा तो फटाफट आ जाएगा. Okay?
Okay.
So learn it today or I doubt you'll score well if you don't learn it.
And hello. I have one more doubt.
Hmm.
The third one, the cube root is 3 upon 729.
3 upon
729
cube root is
divided by
729.
3 is equal to 9.
Divided by 3 ऐसा है question, ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है sum.
No, sir.
Then
The root, cube root is 3 and it is
cube root is always
729.
3. You don't have to keep saying cube root is 3.
Sorry.
When you say cube root, I'll write it like this.
729 is
Equal to 9.
9. Then cube root 0.000 729 is equal to question mark.
So I just explained it. 729 upon if you notice decimal के बाद 6 numbers है तो 6 zeros आएंगे.
हाँ.
Okay. जब आप क्यूब रूट लेते हो 729 का वो लोग ने बोला 9 है तो ऊपर 9 आएगा और ये जब नीचे जीरोस रहेगा ना हर 3 जीरो का 1 जीरो बनाएंगे तो 1 1 ही रहेगा ये 3 जीरो 1 जीरो हो जाएगा ये 3 जीरो 1 जीरो हो जाएगा सो दिस इज व्हाट विल गेट 9 upon 100 और डेसिमल में लिखेंगे तो 0.09. Okay, learn the cubes.
Cube root. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hello, yes, Priyal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt in the root of a number line. Means if the root is 6, then how to find it? 2 or 3 or direct we have to jump to 6?
ये 0 है.
Okay.
Then 1, then 2, then 3. This is root 1, root 4, root 9. Root 6 comes between 4 and 9. तो आप क्या करना रूट 4 से स्टार्ट करना ये जो स्टेप्स आपको पता है ना
Yes, sir.
तो इधर कट करोगे तो ये आएगा रूट 5
Okay.
फिर रूट 5 पे ऊपर करके ऐसा ज्वाइन करके आप कट करोगे जहाँ पे भी आएगा वो रूट 6 है.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have one more doubt in simplify. It is cube minus 48 upon 162.
Sorry, minus
48 upon 162 cube.
क्यूब है या क्यूब रूट है
No, sorry, it's cube root.
like this.
Yes, sir.
You cancelled it.
Yes, sir.
Which numbers you cancelled?
Sir, I cancelled 48 and 162. I was getting 24 upon 81.
24 upon 81. After that, what did you do?
Then, sir, I don't know what to do. So I just,
You can cancel it by 3.
yes. 8 upon 9.
8 upon 9
9.
kaisa? 3 9s are 81.
No, sir.
Cancel it. See, cancel and tell me what is the answer. If I'm cancelling 81, 3 how much are 81? 3 how much are 8?
3 2s are 6. Then 21.
How much are 21?
7
3 how much are? So 8 upon 27, no? So the answer is 2 upon 3.
Okay, sir.
And minus ka minus will come.
Yes. Sir, I have 2 doubts, but I can't explain you in the question. I don't know how to explain. So can I send you the pic?
But why do you need to explain the question? You need to read the question.
No, but I don't know how to read it. It's something, so represent 2, then sign of a root, then again 2 inside on a number line.
So what you need to do is, it's thoda complicated. When you take this 2 inside, then this 2, when it goes inside, it repeats 2 times, 2 into 2.
Yes.
और already एक 2 अंदर था.
Yes.
समझा? You understood why these 2 I've written? जो बाहर था, बाहर का जब अंदर जाता है, it becomes 2 times.
Okay.
And there was already this 2 which was already here, no?
Yes,
तो अंदर
sir.
कितने 2s हैं?
3.
तो multiply करो तीनों को.
8.
So root 8 you have to show.
Okay, sir. Sir, and the second one is represent 3 plus root 3 on a number line.
3 plus root 3.
Yes.
Where did you find this sum from?
Sir, I was is in the master key assignment 1. I was just solving the paper.
See, don't solve that, because I've never seen such a sum come. Okay,
sir.
it's basically, see, it's an easy sum, but it will require additional concepts to be taught, which are not there in your exercise sums.
Okay, sir.
So once you're done with the test and the portion, we'll keep a separate session for such extra sums.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Okay, any other doubts? Mritul and Shubhra, I'm not able to unmute you all.
Hello, sir.
Hi, yes, Shubhra, tell me.
So cube root of 32768.
We have done this sum or not?
No, sir, you gave this for homework.
Okay. Tell me the number again.
32768.
Okay. Factorize it. 32768. What number to start with?
2.
2. So cancel one by one. 2 how much are 3?
2.
1. Then 1 gets carried forward.
2 6 are 12.
Then this, how much are 7?
2 3s are 6.
Then 1 gets carried forward.
2 8s are 16.
And what about 8?
2 4s are 8.
Okay, let's continue. Tell me quickly now. 2.
2
What about 16?
2 8s are 2
Then 3.
8s are 16. 2 1s are.
Then
2
18.
9s are 18.
And 4.
2 2s are.
Okay, now 2. How much are 8?
2 4s are 8.
Okay. Then 1.
2 9s are 18.
No. This 1. 1, does it come in 2 ka table?
No.
It's smaller than 2, no?
Yes.
So एक cancel जब करो इधर 0 आएगा. 1 gets carried forward. Now go for 19.
2 9 are 18.
1 gets carried forward.
2 6 are 12.
Okay. Then 2.
2 2s are 4.
This 0.
0 will come down 92.
Hmm.
2 4s are 8.
Hmm. 1 carry forward.
2 8s are 16.
Okay. 2.
2 5s are 20.
You don't know 2. 2 doesn't come in 2 ka table.
Yes, it comes.
Then cancel that first.
2 1s are
Then the 0.
as it is.
Then this
2 2s are 4.
and 8.
4s are 8.
Then 2.
2 5s are 10.
Hmm.
2 1s are
Hmm.
2 2s are.
5 1 2.
Then 2 4 2 2s are
Hmm.
2 5s are 10.
Okay.
2 6s are 12.
Hmm. Then 2.
2 1s are
Hmm.
2 2s are 2 8s are
2.
2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8.
Hmm. 2.
2 3s are 6.
Hmm.
2 2s are 4.
Okay, I'll continue here now. Then 32.
2 1s are 2.
Hmm.
2 6s are 12.
Okay, then
2 8s are 16.
2.
2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 2 1s are.
Okay. Now, what you need to do is 3 2s, you need to write it as 1 2. ये 3 को 1 लिखा, ये 3 को 1 लिखा, तो into 2. ये 3 को into 2. Okay, I missed one over here. So these 3 become 1. Then this one and these 2 become another. And the last 3 become 1 more. So tell me, what is the answer for 2 into 2 into 2 into 2?
32.
Okay, you got it?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Mritul. Okay, I can see all doubts are done now. Let me check. Okay, let's move on to 5.2 right now. Okay. So for this, we will be needing only one formula, that is a plus b the whole cube. What I want to see is if anybody can you all raise your hands who can answer? We had done this during the demo class. Yes. Okay. Harshlata wants to answer. Hello, Harshlata.
Yes, sir.
You remember the trick I told you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start with A. What did I tell you for A?
A cube
Then?
plus,
No. Remember the trick I said? We start with A, we keep reducing the power. So A cube के बाद?
B.
No. A square था. You remember this? ऐसा power एक एक कम करते जाते थे हम लोग.
हाँ A
तो पहले a क्यूब बोलने का, फिर a स्क्वायर, उसके बाद a and no a. Okay, let's try Deepika. Hello, Deepika.
Hello, sir.
Your voice is very low.
Yes, sir. There is some network issue.
Can you remember this way of the formula?
Sir.
So you can see a cube, a square, a and no a are written. Now do the same thing for b, but the other way around. So here what will we write?
B cube,
B cube. Then over here.
B square,
Then here.
B.
B. Then this number 3 we give it to both the middle ones. तो यहाँ पे भी 3 आएगा, यहाँ पे भी 3 आएगा, correct?
Sir, what why 3 is coming?
That is a formula.
Okay, sir.
And सब जगह पे प्लस दे देंगे.
Yes, sir.
This is the formula. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Fine. Thank you.
I will. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So Simar wants to answer. So I'll do one sum with Simar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Simar. Same logic. Let us apply for k plus 4 cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will teach this to you, and by next time I want you all to try as many sums of this exercise and come, so that we'll see where the doubts are. So k plus 4 the whole cube. Let's start with k. Remember how we just now discussed the formula? Let's do the same thing with k plus 4.
Yes, sir.
So what to write?
A cube.
K, no, not a.
Yes.
Say it again.
Cube.
What cube? What is there in place of a?
LC.
Sorry, that's not LC. That is k.
K.
This is the
K.
first sum of 5.2. 5.2 ka we are doing first sum. So k plus 4 cube.
Yes.
So how do I start?
K cube.
K cube. Then
K square.
Then
K.
here k should be written or not?
Nothing.
Okay. Then what? Then let's do for this number now. What to do here?
Now 4 cube.
4 cube. Acha, I'll write numbers with brackets. Okay. Then here
4 square.
4 square. Here
4.
4. Here.
Here nothing.
अच्छा. और कुछ लिखना है, ऐड करना है?
No.
और
Here
कोई भी नंबर?
we have to now.
Any number we have to put anywhere?
Yes, we have to put 3.
Here and here.
Here also 3.
Correct?
Yes.
और सबके बीच में प्लस.
Yes.
अच्छा, नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू इज जहां पे भी स्क्वायरिंग या क्यूबिंग करना है सिर्फ उतना करेंगे.
Okay.
ओके. तो देखो, लेटर का क्यूब नहीं कर सकते तो लेट्स कीप इट एज k क्यूब ओनली. प्लस ये 3 के ऊपर स्क्वायर या क्यूब नहीं है तो छोड़ दो. a स्क्वायर एज इट इज, 4 एज इट इज, प्लस ये 3 है, ये k है. इसका क्या करेंगे? 4 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा?
Sir, I can't hear you.
What will be 4 square? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Sir, your voice is coming very low.
Acha. Then let me use someone else for this sum. Hello, Hitesh.
Yes, sir.
Can you continue the sum?
Yes, sir.
What will be 4 square?
16.
Plus what will be 4 cube?
64.
64. अब लास्ट स्टेप में जो जो मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो करो, जैसे यहाँ पे k क्यूब का k क्यूब ही रहेगा, यहाँ पे नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या बनेगा?
12k square.
12k स्क्वायर प्लस यहाँ पे
48k.
48k plus 64. Done?
Yes.
Okay. So before stopping for today, we'll do one more sum, and homework will be to do all the sums, try it out whatever you can, and then next time we'll discuss the doubts and start with the new practice. Okay. Let me pick someone now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Hitesh. Okay, let's try. Joy. Hello, Joy. Okay, let's try Ishan. Hello, Ishan.
Yes, sir.
You'll help me with the last sum for today.
Yes, sir.
You're prepared for tomorrow's test?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है. I'm solving 5.2 का second sum. Okay, 7x plus 8y cube. So tell me, what is there in place of a?
Sir, 7x.
So tell me कैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग formula?
7x cube.
Then?
Sir, 7x square.
Okay, then?
7x.
और लास्ट में 7x लिखते हैं या नहीं लिखते?
Sir, 7x लिखते हैं लास्ट में.
लास्ट में यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं ना?
कुछ भी नहीं.
हाँ, अभी 8y के साथ बोलो क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे?
Sir, 8y cube.
फिर
8y square.
यहाँ पे
8y.
ओके, यहाँ पे 8y लिखें?
नहीं sir.
अच्छा, और कुछ बाकी है डालने का?
Yes sir. We have to put 3 in front of 7x and then
These
3
two.
there also.
करेक्ट?
Yes.
सबके बीच में प्लस. अच्छा, अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में सिर्फ स्क्वायरिंग करो या क्यूबिंग करना. जैसे यहाँ पे 7 का क्यूब क्या है?
Sir, 100.
अरे आपको बाय हार्ट करने बोला था, बाय हार्ट नहीं किया अभी तक.
नहीं sir, sorry.
अभी बोल रहा था एग्जाम के लिए तैयार हो. अच्छा, 7 का क्यूब 343 है. हेलो,
Yes sir.
7 का क्यूब क्या है
343.
और x का क्या है?
X square. X
x
cube.
का x क्यूब प्लस ये 3 वैसे ही रहेगा. अब बताओ 7 का स्क्वायर क्या है?
Hello sir.
7 का स्क्वायर
49.
49 और x का स्क्वायर
Sir, x square.
ये 8y वैसे ही रहेगा प्लस 3 इंटू 7x. अब इसका बताओ 8 का स्क्वायर क्या है?
Sir, 64.
और y का स्क्वायर
Y square.
प्लस 8 का क्यूब भी नहीं पता रहेगा.
Sir, 512.
अच्छा, और y?
Y cube.
ठीक है. अब एंडिंग में क्या करना बाकी है? ये ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे.
हाँ.
करेक्ट. अच्छा, अब ये मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा आपको. तो जो भी मल्टीप्लाई करके नंबर आएगा इधर लिखना. और देखो अल्फाबेट्स कौन से हैं?
Sir, x square and y.
x स्क्वायर y प्लस फिर ये नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना 3 इंटू 7 इंटू 64 और यहाँ पे लिखना. और लेट अल्फाबेट्स क्या आएगा इधर?
X y square.
ओके, प्लस 512 y क्यूब. ये सम्स कंप्लीट कर पाओगे ईशान?
हाँ सर.
अच्छा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में सबसे पहले मैं आपको पकड़ के सारे क्यूब्स पूछने वाला हूँ.
ओके सर.
बायोटा रहेगा तब तक?
हाँ.
ठीक है. Okay then, I think we'll stop for today. All the best for tomorrow's test.